Good afternoon everyone and welcome to Holy Rosary's first Achievement Assembly of 2021. I'm not going to hang about guiding you through it. We're going to learn as we go along, but what we're going to start with is something that we haven't managed to do collectively since we've been back at school, but we can do it as community now. We are going to sing, and we are going to sing Fun by Rend Collective. Enjoy.
While my heart is beating, while my body's bleeding, the future's there for you to ride. Though today I'm hurting, there's a new day coming, bright and shining like a star. I won't give up, no, no, I won't give in. No, no, you are the tide on which I rise. I won't back up, no, no, I won't back down. No, no, this is the time for me to rise. You are the fun in my life, you are the joy, you are the laughter inside and now I'm born. No one could ever make me happier, no one could ever take me higher. Let's have some fun, let's have some fun. It's a know for sure now, nothing's keeping me down, everything is gonna go. Stop my feet from dancing, stop my spirit soaring, hold the rhythm in my soul. I won't give up, no, no, I won't give in. No, no, you are the tide on which I rise. I won't back up, no, no, I won't back down. No, no, this is the time for me to rise. You are the fun in my life, you are the joy, you are the laughter inside and I will fall. No one could ever make me happier, no one could ever take me higher. Let's have some fun, let's have some fun. Throw your hands in the air like you just don't care. Reach for the sky, let your heart run wild. Dance like there's no one watching. Sing like your soul is bursting. Throw your hands in the air like you just don't care. Reach for the sky, let your heart run wild. Dance like there's no one watching. Sing like your soul is bursting. Throw your hands in the air like you just don't care. Reach for the sky, let your heart run wild. Dance like there's no one watching. Sing like your soul is bursting. You are the fun in my life, you are the joy, you are the laughter inside and I want more. No one could ever make me happier, no one could ever take me higher. Let's have some fun, let's have some fun.
Let's move on to our first award, and the first award is the Head Teachers Award. Now, I've been overwhelmed and amazed by what I have seen online and in school. There's a multitude of reasons why you could win the Head Teachers Award. They're listed up here on the screen, so if you need to pause it, you can pause it now to see if you're going to work towards that next week. But what we've taken is basically at least one Head Teachers Award winner from each year group. So let's go for it. Our award winners this week, who will be receiving their certificate in the post along with their Holy Rosary pin badge. Our winners are in FS1, it's Elijah. In FS2, it's Jessica and Joanna. In Year 1, well done to Scott and Nadine. In Year 2, Lexi and Hannah. In Year 3, we've got Paula and Jessica. In Year 4, Mr. Heath's class, we've got Erin and Shimon. In Year 4, Mr. Withy's class, we've got Isabella and Sandra. In year 5, we've got Lottie and Jurek. In year 6G, well done to Liliana and Cole. And year 6S, well done to Julia and Courtney. The reasons will be on your Head Teachers Award certificate and wear your pin badge with pride. Everybody else, remember those reasons, and it could be you next week. Now, we thought it was really important that you continued to be recognised for how amazing you are. So this afternoon, a direct message will ping into your parents' inbox, and 2 of you from your class will be receiving an affirmation. Let it wash over you, listen to it, listen to the words, and enjoy hearing how special you are. Another of our regular features is in our assembly as well, and this is the Heart That Sees. Now, there's a special mission for you in terms of the Heart That Sees. Obviously, we're not all together, but you know what the Heart That Sees award is given for. So you've got a mission. You've got to recognise the pink teas or the gospel values. You've got to recognise care, friendship, patience, integrity, love in a member of your family at home, or somebody who's touched your life in a really positive way this week. All right? So this is what you can do. You can pause the screen. You can create your own certificate. I can put an example of this up on Class Dojo and you could print it off. And you could award a member of your family, a friend who you've been in contact with this week, a neighbour who you might have seen who has shown any one of those characteristics this week, and you can award them with the Heart That Sees. Enjoy your mission. Well done to everybody who has won awards today, whether it's receiving the Head Teachers Award, whether it's receiving an affirmation, whether you're a parent or neighbour or grandparent or friend who's received the Heart That Sees from one of our pupils. We want selfies up to Class Dojo, or you could put it, if you're into it, on your social media with you, with I was recognised at this week's Achievement Assembly in the background. We want to see you feeling proud of your achievements. You've worked hard for them, therefore celebrate them, okay? Use this screen, take a quick snap, upload it to Class Dojo. We would love to see your smiles for being recognised. There's so much happening going on over the next week, and that starts from today. So after this assembly, we've got the video update from me later on to you, your parents and your families and the staff, which should be a fairly short one today, followed by the return of HRTV News. Please watch that. That'll be around 5:30. And then we'll also be sharing our January newsletter, which includes all the information that your families need for the coming month. From next week, we've got our usual programme now, which we're getting into a really lovely routine of our usual programme of lessons, but also what's coming, in addition to the recorded sessions of French and music in the afternoon, we've got computer programming and also design and technology with a food focus. And Mr. Miller will be sharing with you the ingredients you'll need for next week in today's newsletter. Now, also coming next week, we're really excited to announce a whole school writing activity that's going to be taking place every Thursday afternoon. So you'll receive an assignment in your Class Dojo pupil profile, and that assignment will be an image or a stimulus for you to create an extended piece of writing. And we're really looking forward to promoting that love of writing and seeing how that develops all the way from FS1 up to Year 6. We'll see you next week. Let's end our assembly by singing the end of the day prayer together.
Dear Lord, I've come to say thank you for your love today. Thank you for my family and all the friends you give to me. Guard me in the dark of night and in the morning send your light, amen.